Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volkswagen Touareg on a 22 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can of course see it's a 5-door car with those black alloy wheels and tinted windows as well. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can do that from the key or of course from the tailgate itself. As we then approach the back of the car, you can see that we have got reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats, should you wish to fold those down for increased boot space. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see, firstly, the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. It'll also show you what gear this car is in over there. It's an automatic. We're in park at the moment, of course. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. We've got the fuel gauge over there, a digital readout for the speedometer, and then in the center, the main trip computer. So you can change the information that's displayed in this central section, as you can see. So for example, you could have your map displayed in there. You can also change the layout of these dials completely, should you wish to, all done via these buttons just here. We have our stereo controls, we've got a heated steering wheel, we've got voice activation here. Over on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have got further stereo controls, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, so you can hit that button. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. And behind that, the minus and plus pedals so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over into the center next. Down the bottom here, first of all, you can see that we've got the ability to adjust our passenger temperature, our driver temperature as well. You can turn your air conditioning on and off. You can adjust the fan speeds. From there, you can determine where the air is being distributed. And at any time, you can go back to your home screen. From the home screen, we have, of course, got satellite navigation, a massive color display, as you can see. A very easy system to use as well. You can pair up your phone. You can then access your audio options in the car. So AM, FM and DAB radio, internet radio as well. You can, of course, listen to your own music should you wish to. And there's a number of ways in which you can do that, and you can see those on screen now. And they include Bluetooth audio. So once you paired your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. You can also pair up your phone for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. MirrorLink will allow certain Volkswagen friendly apps to be projected up onto this screen, but you can of course do virtually everything from the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay perspective. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, we have a full color reversing camera, a 360 parking camera there as well. You can change the camera layouts and options over on this side, and we've also got autonomous parking. So this car is able to essentially park itself from a steering point of view, at least. Below that, you can open up this storage section. Loads of room inside there. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, 2 cup holders, the start and stop button for the engine, electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, and there are various off-road settings for the vehicle as well. Last thing I wanted to talk about is the panoramic glass roof. So first of all, there is a sun blind that will open all the way to the back of the rear seats. Which, as you can see, will let in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. You can leave it like this if you wish to, but you can also open this front section as a full tilt and slide sunroof as well. So the last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document just there. In the envelope is the spare key for the vehicle as well. So 2 keys in total. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.